So what you can see in front of you here is my page. Okay, so when you register on the platform, you will be given a username and you will be given a password. So with your username and password, you will be able to log in, and this is the first page that you would generally see. So what you can see in front of you are the books. The beauty is that whatever, for instance, suppose you decide to enroll in a writing program. So you would have books for particular modules just for writing. And we have something called media embedded system where the books are, so you will never have to scroll through long PDFs. As you can see in front of you, each book, each chapter, you can just sort of approach. So at any point, if I tell you that you need to practice sample number 4 from exercise book number 2 for writing, all you need to do is just go and click. That's it. Second thing is Dba Analytics. Dba Analytics is part of the learning management system, which is an analytical tool which will help me and you understand your mistakes and where to improve. So for instance, here I can see that when I can select from each book, I can select the question types. You can also see how many are correct, how many are attempted, what is the learner's answer and what is the suggested answer. In this case, the learner has not submitted any answer. So there's only the suggested answer which is available. And at the end of each module that you practice, you will also be given a grade, the time taken. And this will help me also understand that, okay, this student is slow with reading. So he or she needs to increase the pace by this much. How slow is he or she? Is he very slow or is okay, can manage, maybe with practice?
Hi, I'm Annie.
Hi, I'm Annie.
Last Friday, all employees worked overtime because of the large order.
Then of course there's the Divii class. I have many classes because I'm the trainer, but when you will have a specific class that you may join. And when you click on the class, you will see a certain tool. It's a messenger board. So for example, if I provide you an assignment and you don't know what to do about it, so you can say, hey, I have a query. Okay, so this is a sort of forum where you can discuss your answers with your fellow classmates or batchmates, or you can ask the trainer, okay, I've submitted this, I couldn't submit this, so I'm attaching. You can also attach, for all those who want to write a paper-based test and not on the computer, you can also click photos and you can attach over here the pictures of your writing module or your practice module, whichever you have attempted. Further, if I go into a particular class, okay, assignments available, and each of this assignment will have a start date and a certain end date. Now the page is loading, so give me a minute. And let me show you this. What you see in front of you is how a typical chapter or a module will look like. So this is for listening. You'll have your audio embedded, and then you have your questions, and you can retry, you can exit, or you can check the answers. In this case, the answers are available. Obviously, when you first attempt, the answers will not be given, but this enables self-learning. So you've been given an assignment, you attempt it, and then you check your answers. Did you make spelling mistakes, or did you deviate from the answer as it was expected? Okay, right. So here in this page, you can see your assignments will be embedded by me or the trainer who's going to teach you. You have a particular start date with the time and an end date. Within this period, you have to submit your assignments. Otherwise, it'll get locked. I can unlock it, or the trainer can unlock it. Piyush, 1 minute, I'll get to you. But whatever you submit will be private. Not everybody in the class will be able to see. Only the trainer will be able to see your module. Okay, right. So this is quick, just a overview or a look of how the platform would appear. It's very simple to use. So I search for the word happy, return all these results. So any word that you want, you have a variety of videos to learn it from. You also have the usage here. He didn't seem happy. She's trying to do what makes her happy. So how to, and just when you play the video, you know how to listen to it.
But I heard him exclaim ere he drove out of sight, "Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night."